Here's a 250 pursang needing top end. We have multiple top ends, other motors, complete internals, electrical. Here is a beautifully redone, ready to be installed 370 motor. That thing just needs to be dropped in and hooked, carb to and go. More parts in there. This stuff is all engine internals in here. We've got another cylinder head right there. That actually may be the one to that bike. There's a couple sets of forks. Got a nice new rear swing arm, or a pursang swing arm. We've got 3 frames there. They are. That's a 136, so that's the 370 frame. It's a 135, I forget what that is, and a 215, I think that's a Priya, or I don't know. Anyway, we got one front wheel, 2 front wheels, 2 rear wheels there. Lots of tanks. A couple of the 370 side plates. And then here we have some shocks and brakes. And there's the exhaust for the 250. This 125 I just about had running today. I think I just need to clean the carburetor. It sputtered a little bit. And, I also need to get a proper plug clamp, but it's got spark and it's got compression, so fuel is the only other thing that's left. These are some Nito Repro fenders, all kinds of Bultaco books. We've got all kinds of cool stuff, extra throttles, just tons of stuff in here. There's more of the Motoplat stuff in there. There you go. So that is definitely a nice little stash of Bultaco stuff.